Hello, it's Greg Sisson back here with RE/MAX First Choice, and I'm here in a brand new listing in the heart of Myrtle Beach in the park, a fully renovated home, all brick home in the park right off of 48th Avenue. It's coming soon, so watch for it. But I was walking through and reminded of something, kind of a pet peeve. I see these beautiful kitchens like we're in now, and many times you'll see the homeowner bring a stove in that blocks the beautiful backsplash, takes away from the hood. These drop-in stoves, if you really want to take advantage of the new granite and the backsplash, I think it looks much better, and I've been with enough buyers that would ooh and ah more over this style than the stove that has the controls here. So the drop-in stove really accentuates the backsplash. So just something, if you're doing a renovation or thinking about doing that, spend a little extra for the drop-in stove. It'll be a good return on your investment.